So, I am making a guitar with one string. And in the process of making that guitar with one string, I've decided I need to make pickups. Pickups can have several forms, but some of them look like this. This bucks the hump. It's a double pickup. This is a single. Now back you go. See, the guitar with one string is going to be made of aluminum, you see. An aluminum channel.
I'll draw away an aluminum channel, yeah.
I need to make pickups because regular pickups is too big. It's too big. Oh, I don't need all that. I only got one string. So, I'm just gonna get rid of that. And I'm gonna make my own with just one single pole. And I want to decide where along this length the pickup can go on the fly. So what we need to do is route a slot. And you know what? This pickup, I want to see a little bobbin. The little bobbin has one wall on this side and another wall on that side. And in between these two walls, we're going to have copper wire in several loops. Now the wire should be terminated in two places. Maybe there and maybe there. So, what we can do, put a bolt through that, and that is the steel that goes through the pickup. It could go on there and not go on there. You can take it off just like that. So that is the idea. A pickup that you can remove from the rod which conducts the magnetic flux. So let's do it.
Right, so what you'll need if you want to do a project like this, of course, is the copper wire, and look at that. That there's a bobbin. This is from a Dremel. It works. I don't sound ridiculous. Look at that. Perfect. Put that in a drill chuck. What else do you need? You need something to hold the spool and turn it with little to no resistance. So what you need is a bearing and wood. One more thing I forgot to mention. You'll need a piece of perf board for a place to solder the two ends of the copper wire. So we'll just cut us a piece off. Oh, but safety on. There you have it. Well, you don't want to put this on here just yet. I've got a little bit of double-sided tape, and I'm only using it right now to hold down a bit of copper wire, which I've threaded through the hole. Now I can spin this and wind the coil, and afterwards I can solder both sides, both ends of the wire to this perf board.
So now we've got the bobbin mounted in the drill. We'll turn the drill until the bobbin can't be wound no more. I'll fast forward so you don't have to wait. Now we're going to thread the wire through the perf board, stick it onto the bobbin with double-sided tape, and then we'll solder the wires in place. I believe that this pickup came out to 1,100 ohms. Many typical pickups are around 6,000 to 8,000 ohms. Well, alright, we've got our pickup now, and with this pickup we're going to acquire a signal from the string, regardless of where we are along the string, mind you, and we'll test how it sounds and whether the signal is strong enough. So, to do that, we've got the string, we've got the pickup, we also have this amp here. So this amp, we've got gain, tone, and volume controls. We'll start from the minimum and work our way up and test several cases of combinations of these controls. So I'll turn it on. And now we can start with a minimum amount of volume, a minimum amount of gain, just lowest value on all controls. You're probably going to hear this through my microphone rather than the pickup. There really should not be any signal coming through, but just as a control. Now let's put the volume at 4 and the gain at also 4. If you play without any gain, then there's not going to be any signal. You might be able to hear something, but let's go ahead and put it at the gain at 4. There we go. You can hear something now. Now let's increase the tone to add higher frequencies back into the sound. I'm going to leave that at 10 to let all the frequencies through, and then I'm going to add some gain. Just put it to 8 on the gain. Not quite distorted yet. Let's add some more volume. Now we're at 7. Let's dial back the tone again, all the way to 3. Let's add in full tilt on the gain. And let's try it back with all the frequencies again. Well, just some observations off the bat. The proximity of the pickup to the string definitely has an effect on the volume, and the placement of the pickup along the string does have an effect on the tone. Other than that, I think this pickup provides plenty of signal, and good quality signal at that. So I'm pleased to enter this into my design for the Diddly Bow. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked my obviously fake and inconsistent accent. Tune in later for a video on string sustaining, like vibration sustaining with a sustainer circuit. I'll see you there.